Want to learn anything for free? Let's get Khan Academy on your phone right now. First, open your Google Play Store on your device. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see the search bar here at the top. Tap on it and type in Khan Academy and hit search. You'll see the official app with their logo. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the install button. Tap on install to begin the download and installation. Once it's downloaded, open the app and you are ready to explore a world of learning from maths, science to SAT prep. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi to avoid extra data charges during download. What subject are you most excited to explore with Khan Academy? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.